In this video, we're going to show you how to use our fundraising captain's portal step by step. Hi, I'm Vanessa from your Mabel's Labels fundraising team. If you're wondering how to track your campaign's progress or update contact information, this video walks you through exactly how to do that using our captain's portal. The first thing you need to do is log into your account. Head over to mabelfund.mabelslabels.com and sign in using your username and temporary password we sent you via email. Now that you're logged in, let's walk through all the things you can do with this account. On the left side, you'll see your campaign's mailing address. This is where all checks and flyers will be sent to, so you'll want to ensure it's correct. If you ever need to update the address, simply type the new information into the text boxes and hit the submit button at the bottom of the page. You can update the captain's name at any time, but if an email update is necessary, you will need to reach out to us. Finally, you have the transactions section. Here you can see all of the purchases that have been credited to your organization, along with the email of the person who made the purchase. Fundraising tip. A great way to show gratitude and nurture relationships with your supporters is to send a thank you e-card to everyone who shopped through your campaign. Grab an e-card from our resource hub in the thank you folder, and there you have it. Now you know how to navigate the captain's portal like a pro. Thanks for watching.